Have you ever pondered the potential consequences of a giant hole in the sun? Today we'll delve into the extraordinary world of coronal holes, what they are, how they form, and their impact on our home planet, Earth. The sun, that brilliant, life-giving star in our sky, is a dynamic and ever-changing entity. Among its many features are coronal holes, vast regions where the sun's corona is darker, colder, and has less dense plasma than the surrounding areas. Imagine a magnetic field, like the one that surrounds our Earth, but picture it on a much larger scale, enveloping the sun. Sometimes this magnetic field shoots straight up into space, creating these coronal holes. Now, why should we care about these holes? Well, they are the source of high-speed solar winds that are emitted into space. Picture a gust of wind, but not the gentle breeze you might feel on a calm day. Instead, imagine a wind so powerful, it travels at speeds of over 1.8 million miles per hour. When these solar winds reach Earth, they interact with our planet's magnetic field, resulting in some spectacular effects. On a good day, the interaction results in the creation of beautiful auroras, those stunning light shows we call the northern and southern lights. However, on a not-so-good day, these solar winds can potentially damage satellites and disrupt our infrastructure. But don't let this worry you too much. Coronal holes are a common occurrence, especially near the sun's poles. And while they can appear near the sun's equator during periods of peak solar activity, the likelihood of causing significant damage to our infrastructure is low. This brings us to the recent discovery of a large coronal hole on the sun 30 times the size of Earth. As it rotates away, an even larger coronal hole has come into view. The solar winds from this hole are expected to reach Earth soon, but it's not expected to cause any significant damage. Instead, we might be treated to a spectacular show of auroras. The understanding and prediction of space weather, including the behavior of coronal holes, is a challenging but critical aspect of space research. Scientists are continuously working to improve our knowledge in this area, helping us better prepare for whatever the sun might throw our way. To summarize, coronal holes are fascinating features of the sun that have both beautiful and potentially disruptive effects on Earth. They are the source of high-speed solar winds that, upon reaching Earth, can create stunning auroras or, in rare circumstances, damage satellites. The recent discovery of a large coronal hole has offered another opportunity for scientists to study these phenomena and expand our understanding of space weather. So the next time you look up at the sun, with appropriate eye protection of course, remember the incredible activity happening on and around it, from the vast coronal holes to the high-speed solar winds they produce. It's a reminder of the dynamic and powerful star that lights up our lives every day.